Join me as I dive into the mystery of gravity and try to uncover its secret power. Gravity, that unseen force that holds us firmly on the ground, is something we all take for granted. It's what keeps us and everything around us firmly rooted, and yet, it's so much more than just a downward pull. Gravity is the reason we have days and nights, the reason we have a stable climate, and the reason our planet continues to spin. It's a fundamental aspect of our daily lives, and yet, it's something we barely scratch the surface of when it comes to understanding its true power. Many of us think of gravity as simply a force that pulls objects towards each other. We imagine it as a string that connects everything, holding us down, holding us back. But that's only half the story. Gravity is so much more complex, so much more intricate. It's a force that warps and curves, that bends and distorts. It's a force that can crush stars and create black holes, and yet, it's also a force that can create the most beautiful, swirling patterns in the cosmos. One of the biggest misconceptions about gravity is that it's a fixed force, a constant pull that never changes. But gravity is anything but fixed. It's a dynamic force, one that ebbs and flows, one that changes depending on the situation. Gravity is affected by mass, by speed, by direction. It's a force that's constantly interacting, constantly adapting, and constantly evolving. We often think of gravity as something that only affects us here on Earth, but the truth is, gravity is a universal force. It's what holds galaxies together, what creates the fabric of space-time, what governs the behavior of entire universes. And yet, despite its immense power, gravity remains one of the most mysterious forces in the universe. Gravity is also deeply connected to time and space. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity warps the fabric of space-time, creating gravitational fields that affect the motion of objects. This means that time itself is affected by gravity, slowing down near massive objects and speeding up in areas with weaker gravity. It's a mind-bending concept, one that challenges our very understanding of the universe. In the realm of extreme gravity, we find some of the most mind-boggling phenomena in the universe. From black holes that warp and distort spacetime to neutron stars that spin at incredible speeds, gravity is what creates these cosmic wonders. And yet, despite its incredible power, gravity remains a force that's still largely beyond our comprehension. One of the most astonishing insights into gravity's power is its ability to bend light. According to Einstein's theory, massive objects like stars and black holes create gravitational fields so strong that they warp the fabric of spacetime, bending light around them. It's a phenomenon that has been observed and studied, and yet, it still boggles the mind to think about the sheer power of gravity. Gravity's connection to black holes is perhaps one of its most fascinating aspects. These cosmic monsters are so dense, so massive, that their gravity is so strong it warps spacetime in ways that defy understanding. They're regions of spacetime where gravity is so extreme that not even light can escape, and yet, they're also regions where gravity is so distorted that our current understanding of physics breaks down. Gravity's power is truly awe-inspiring, and yet, it's also a power that's still largely beyond our comprehension. From its role in shaping the cosmos to its influence on our daily lives, gravity is a force that deserves our respect, our fascination, and our continued exploration. As we wrap up this journey into the mystery of gravity, I want to leave you with a challenge. What do you think is the most surprising aspect of gravity's power? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to explore more of the universe's greatest mysteries, check out my video on related video and join the conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.